Hello and welcome to Random Things. This is Ty, and today I want to share with you an exciting pilot program being launched by the City of Pasadena Water and Power. The pilot program is aimed at providing a rebate up to $1,000 for e-bike purchased at a retailer within the City of Pasadena. So if you just Google Pasadena Water and Power e-bike rebate program, it'll take you to City of Pasadena. And then this is the launch page. So the program will launch July 1st, 2023. And it looks like they will offer a $500 rebate for the purchase of a new qualifying e-bike from a bike shop located in the City of Pasadena. So this is essentially to kind of help local businesses. Now, it does say that you can get a new Class 1, Class 2, or Class 3 e-bike. But it does say that it has to be less than 750 watts. So this is maybe a smaller e-bike. And again, it has to be from a local shop, and scooters, mopeds, segways, e-bike conversion kits are not qualified. Now you can get an additional $250 bonus for the purchase of a qualifying e-cargo bike or an adapted e-bike, and an additional $250 if you're enrolled in PWP's Income Qualified Bill Assistance Program. So basically, I believe this is a low income program. And so you do have to be a PWP customer, obviously, to get the rebate, and you have to buy it from a local shop. As far as if there are existing shops already on the list and what bikes have already been pre-qualified, I don't have that information yet. So I will be reaching out to PWP to get more details so that I can share with you all that are interested and that are PWP customers. And so with that, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video and hopefully an update on this rebate program with more details. Thank you for watching.